Hey creators, if you are here, you're probably wondering what is the best export setting in Final Cut Pro for YouTube. Well, you are in the right place. I will walk you step by step through the settings that will give you best quality video while keeping your file size manageable. So let's dive in. First things first, make sure your video is fully edited and polished. Once you are happy with it, then proceed to share button on the top right corner. Now here you usually go to export file, but here you can see it is showing 4.14 GB, which is very large. It is a very small video, so 4.14 GB is very large. And here you can see the file is .mov, and remember YouTube recommend to upload MP4 file. Let's go to the settings. Here you can see the format is video and audio. We will change it to computer. Now the video codec, it is H.264 single pass faster. We will change it to S.264 single pass better, so that it will give better quality video. Now the resolution is 1920x1080. If you are shooting HD video, then it is okay. But if you are shooting 4K video like me, change it to 3840x2160. Now you can see the video size has reduced to 434.7 MB and the file type is .mp4. This is what we want. Okay, so let's just cancel it. We'll make it a preset so that next time whenever you want to export, you can do it in just one click. Okay, so to make a preset, again we'll go to share button over here and then go to add destination. Now here there is an icon called export file. Just drag it over here. Now change the format to computer. Here video codec H.264 multipass better. Now the resolution will be changed to 4096x2160 for 4K video. Now we'll rename this export file 1 to some other name. Let's give it a name YouTube. Okay, let's close it. Now let's again go to the share button. Here you can see the preset YouTube. Click here, go to setting. Now you can see the setting has changed. And that's it. Now you are ready to export best quality video in Final Cut Pro that looks stunning on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, do press the like button and subscribe for more editing tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.